Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to make purple shampoo. I'm basically trying this out, and the reason why I'm doing this is because shimmer light is hella expensive and I do not have funds for that, especially if I dye hair very often. So the basic science behind purple shampoo is to use colors that cancel out each other, just like in this chart which is on the screen. Each color on the opposite side cancels out each other. I don't know if I'm explaining it well, but I hope you do understand. So this is a list of things you're going to need for this video, and then I'm just going to show you the particular brands I'm using. So basic white shampoo, and then some food coloring. This is actually blue and pink food coloring, I think. And then I'm using a disposable plate and then a spoon. So I'm just going to take a spoon of the pink food coloring and then take, what am I doing? Oh yeah, and then take a spoon of the blue food coloring. So in my head I knew that this was an equal mixture, but I don't know, maybe you should measure it more. Anyways, so I'm just going to mix everything together to make sure that they are good, they are feeling cozy, just mix everything so that they can synchronize and be purple. I mean, it's basic painting knowledge. Blue plus pink gives purple. So right now I'm just going to test the color in a bowl of water to see how it is. And yep, I'm getting some kind of blue based violet. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to try it on this paper towel I have here so that you can see the color I got. The color is not even in the frame, but yeah, I got some. Oh yeah, you can see that. So it's basically violet, but then it is like blue base violet. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm just going to add the white shampoo into a bowl, and then the coloring I'm just going to mix. I'm just going to mix till I think it's smooth, and then I'm going to go in with some more shampoo to dilute it. I think if the coloring is too heavy, you can just go ahead and pour more shampoo into it to dilute the coloring. You dig? Okay, so that is how it looks like. Since this is a little bit on the bluish side, I'm going to try and get one which is on the more purple side or the more pink base side, so that I can have two different kinds of shampoos for different kinds of brassiness in hair. So I'm just going to go in with the already violet based purple, and then I'm just going to add some pink into it, and then I'm going to mix, synchronize again, mix so that everything is homogeneous, using all these chemistry terms, because I mean, why did I study chemistry? Anyways, so as you can see, these are the two different colors and I did the same process. So let's check out the purple and see how it works. So get at the two different shampoos I have, and that's just basically the blue based and the purple base. I don't know. Okay, so this is hair which I bleached. It's originally color 1B. As you can see from the track up there, it is black. It was color 1B, which I bleached with bleaching powder and all that. Yeah, so I'm just going to test the two different kinds of shampoos to see if it works. So right now I am pouring the purple, I mean like the real actual purple I wanted, the purple shampoo, and I'm just going to mix and rub it into the hair, just in the basic shampooing hair thing. And then I'm going to leave that down. I'm going to go ahead and use the blue shampoo, or rather the blue violet shampoo. I'm just going to pour that into the hair, and then I'm going to mix and blend and do all the good stuff. As you can see, this is me after I have washed out the hair, and you see there's a big difference. One is lighter, I mean the brassiness has been lifted or rather cancelled out, while the other one is basically the same. and the one on my right is the blue violet shampoo, and the other one is the purple violet shampoo. As you can see, it did change the color, but not very much. So yeah, it's just going to be a rundown of my observations, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and stay tuned for other videos from me. Don't forget to peep my social media and let's be friends. Go follow me.